Our solar adventure kind of began here in Affton School District when I took over as Director of Buildings and Grounds. One of the first things I did was an energy audit. And seeing that the schools scored very low on their Energy Star ratings, I knew that there were some big things that we could do here. StraightUp Solar was our first winning bidder for our pilot project, bringing solar to Affton School District, and I wanted to do one so we could kind of show the Board of Education what that impact was. We did that on our Early Childhood Center, and we actually were able to reduce the timing on our ROI by about 2 or 3 years. After ECC, the next solar projects we did were 2 back-to-back, and that would be Gotsch Intermediate School and then Rogers Middle School. So at Gotsch Intermediate School, we did another 100 kilowatt array, but we tied that in with a roof replacement project. So we were able to go with like a white KEE roof, which really helps in the summer months with reflecting that heat off, and then covering it with a 100 kilowatt array. As soon as that project was finished, we moved over to Rogers and did the exact same thing. And they both were just perfect candidates for it, with concrete roof decks that we knew that could support the weight. So it's just kind of this field of solar on top of the building. As a steward for the district and its finances, we are the one department that can actually kind of give money back to the district. We've been able to reduce our energy costs by about 50%, and that equals about $350,000. With $350,000, the district now can either put that towards new building renovations, more energy efficiency initiatives in the district, or just like books for the classrooms. After working with StraightUp Solar on all of our solar projects, I would highly recommend them to anybody. They are, I think, the leading expert in our area. They are smart, they are easy to get a hold of if you have any problems. They are proactive. Going solar, I think, is a no-brainer for anybody that has the funds for it up front and the capability to do it, because it's just going to save you in the long run. It's a set it and forget it type of project. You're just going to be able to sit back and watch the savings.